Tired of dealing with dust, pet hair, or hard-to-reach corners? Meet the 3-in-1 wireless vacuum cleaner, your powerful cleaning companion. Cordless and portable, clean anywhere, anytime. Strong 6,000 Pascal suction power, 3-in-1 functionality, vacuuming, air extraction, and dust blowing. Perfect for cars, keyboards, furniture, and even window tracks. Compact yet mighty, and it's not just a vacuum, it's a complete cleaning system. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless cleanliness. Grab yours now and make cleaning quicker, smarter, and way more satisfying.